Paris, France. The best travel destination in the world, Paris, France, stands as a timeless gem among the world's most enchanting destinations. With its unrivaled blend of history, art, and romance, it continually captures the hearts of millions of travelers. Renowned as the City of Love, Paris emanates an undeniable allure that makes it the ultimate choice for globetrotters seeking a truly unforgettable experience. The city's architectural wonders, like the iconic Eiffel Tower, the magnificent Notre Dame Cathedral, and the splendid Louvre Museum, showcase the rich history and artistic heritage that Paris holds. Walking along the Champs-Élysées, one can soak up the elegant ambiance while indulging in high-end shopping and exquisite dining experiences. Paris is also a haven for art enthusiasts. With its numerous art galleries and museums, such as the Musée d'Orsay and the Centre Pompidou, visitors can immerse themselves in masterpieces by renowned artists like Monet, Van Gogh, and Picasso. Furthermore, the city's culinary scene is a culinary dream come true. From charming street-side cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants, Parisian cuisine delights the taste buds with its exquisite flavors and diverse offerings. Be it croissants, macarons, or escargots, each bite is a gastronomic delight. Lastly, Paris oozes romance like no other place. A stroll along the Seine River, a picnic in the Jardin du Luxembourg, or a sunset view from Montmartre all add to the city's romantic ambiance, making it an ideal destination for couples. From its historical landmarks and art treasures to its culinary delights and romantic atmosphere, Paris truly deserves its place as the best travel destination in the world. A visit to this magnificent city promises an experience that will leave a lasting impression and create cherished memories for a lifetime.